There goes Ken getting jacked again. Well, there's your problem. You know, for some reason he doesn't want to run these wheels on his kit project. I don't understand why. There you go. That almost looks like a universal.
It is.
So there's how they fit, peoples. Hey, you got lug nuts.
Excellent.
So adapter plate bolts to the hub. Brakes look pretty good on this thing. That's just surface rust. It'll grind off once you grab it.
Don't they?
Nice thick pads. So cool. Rust free. He's still waiting for any of you on YouTube that want to purchase these fine, whatever the hell wheels these are.
How come they don't say the? You'd think they'd say the name on it.
I don't know, are they on the center cap at all? Of course not. Maybe they don't need to say the name on them.
They're that good?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Don't you know?
Yeah. At least you don't have to line up the lug nuts when you put that thing back on. You just gotta find the big hole.
It's kind of like NASCAR shit. Okay, what happened here?
It's gonna be a nice tight fit. You want to take a picture of it before you put it all back together?
Oh, yeah.
Like you said you were going to?
Fuck.
It's all on camera, by the way, too, so.
Yeah,
take it all the way out. And take another picture of the wheel while it's down, too.
Okay.
I'll shut this off so it won't distribute.